What is up, guys? Welcome back for another video. So today we have the Camaro over here at Drew's shop, D-Mark Performance. We're gonna get some base numbers before we start modifying this thing. We want to see where it's at, see if it's healthy, get an air fuel reading, see if we're running rich or lean, and we can go from there. So stay tuned. So we just got done with the first run. This thing is insanely loud. I am very, very sorry to any headphone users. This thing, oh my God, this thing's got some balls. So I'm gonna release the numbers and everything here in a little bit. We're gonna do a couple more runs. Right now we're just letting it cool down a little bit, and we'll get back into it. So we did lose a couple horsepower on that last run. We had a little bit of heat soak. It's kind of inevitable on this kind of setup. So we're gonna let the car cool down a little bit and try to get a couple more runs. And then later on in the video, we'll include the winner. We had a little contest going on. I posted on my Facebook. So we'll reveal the winners there. But all in all, the thing fucking rips. And it's a monster. Definitely has a lot more torque than what I expected. They gained a pretty good amount over factory. We were looking at a couple of the pages and forums, a couple of the magazines that displayed the numbers with what they had when they read it.
Straight for you.
You good? So we
made
Exorcist. It was the Hennessy Exorcist.
608 and 656 for torque. Nice little graph there. This is standard corrected, so this is going to be what it's supposed to read if you were on like a Mustang dyno. So if this was like a dyno jet kind of setup, it would make a lot more power, but it's not a realistic number. So we had everything corrected and everything what you would have on like a Mustang dyno, and it's not bad. It's a good amount of torque. I mean, I think those headers really did a lot of work for this car. And then we're gonna look at doing an intake possibly, and maybe doing like a meth injection kit, and come back and get a tune. This was just simply just a test and see what it makes right now. So once again, I want to give Drew a shout out. Thank you, Drew, for helping out. Much appreciated. He was able to get us in today and let us have some dyno time. So we'll definitely be back in the future. We've had the V here, Andre's Porsche, Andre's truck, and a few other things. He's always been really good to us. All these horses and no room to gallop.
Oh, that's a good one.
Like I got that from like Bruce Almighty or something. Brakes were good.
No traction.
Winners are Michael Creech. He guessed 609. So he's gonna go ahead and get the alignment. So Michael, if you're watching this, contact us through Race Consulting Agency on Facebook, and let's get you in that alignment, bud. Congratulations. Hassan, he guessed 610, so he's gonna get second place. He's coming in to get the oil change. So Hassan, if you see this, hit us up and let's get you that oil change. It's probably gonna be something expensive, probably like some Amsoil or something. All you run is race cars, man. But nonetheless, congratulations. Nice guess. You deal with these cars a lot, so not surprised. And then we got Colin Zielinski. He's over there with Extreme Graphics. Colin, come in, get your hoodie. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Look in the back. Oh yeah, that's what we need.